Hi, we're currently in Food Choices here in Martimo, Pampanga, as we're having this chicken shake salad from Pepper Lunch, as we're going to unbox this Samsung Galaxy S10. Okay, so just a few notable mentions when I bought this product or item. There are some freebies that I got from the Samsung store when I bought this Galaxy S10. So let's just show all of the freebies, alright? So first one, I've got this smart cover, limited edition for Avengers Galaxy S10. Next, I also got this wireless battery pack, or wireless power bank. If you try to check here, it's 10,000 milliamperes. Next, I also got this JBL Go 2 specifically, and that's it for the freebies. Alright, so let's proceed with the unpacking of the Galaxy S10. So I already removed the seal just to lessen the time. Okay, and I got this free SIM card from Smart, and this is the inside of the cover. Just check this thing. Okay, so we have this eject pin. And then here is the free case, and it's a hard case. I'm not a fan of hard cases, and I much prefer soft cases, because I believe soft cases can lessen the impact when the item, or when the item falls. So along with that cover, it also has this quick start guide. Right, so let's proceed with the main item, the Galaxy S10. So at the first glance, or it already has a screen protector. It's not a tempered glass, it's the normal sticker screen protector. Let me just turn it on. There you go. So just showing you that it's a legit, or genuine Samsung Galaxy S10. At the first use, you have to register, but I'll just do this later. And let's check the other contents of the box. So inside the main box, or the other, on the box, we have this earbuds, spare buds for the A. Just try to pull it out. If you can see clearly, it's AKG. I hope it does focus on the on the phone or on the earbud. And yes, we have this charger. Next, we have this USB OTG, USB-C. If you can see it, it's USB-C. Then I sort of cannot pull this out. There. Then this one is the USB cable. And yes, it is also Type-C if anyone asks, but it's common sense that it should be USB-C. Then lastly, the AKG earphone. Just try to push it down, I think. Pull this out. And yes, it has a 3.5mm jack. If I'm not mistaken, it's 3.5, or the usual headphone jack. Darn, it's very hard to put it out. I can't push it to that side. I have, oh, there. Good. So finally got the headset. So it also have this volume up and down buttons, and I think I can click the center also. Right, so just to going back to the S10, all you can see here is that it has a 3.5mm jack or headphone jack along with the USB Type-C, and then it has a speaker grill along with the mic. Then on the right side we have the power button. We have 3 rear cameras. I believe that would be the one would be the normal camera, one with the wide, and then one with the zoom lens, if I'm not mistaken. Then next, we have the SIM tray here at the top, and they told me that this is the other hole is the noise cancellation. Keep pressing the camera button. Alright, and then on the left side we have the Bixby button. Hold on, let me just there. So we have the Bixby button, and then the volume rocker, and the rest. Oh yeah, and as you can see, we have the Infinity O display. Alright, so that's basically it for my unpacking of the Galaxy S10. If you're interested on having the freebies that I mentioned earlier, you can go here at Marquee Mall at the actually the Samsung store here in Marquee Mall. Alright, that's it. And that will be all.